CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.5, given a scenario, configure and use web browsers. Private browsing. Private browsing, also known as incognito mode or private mode, is a feature found in most web browsers that allows users to browse the internet without leaving any traces of their online activity on the device they are using. It is designed to provide a higher level of privacy and prevent the browser from storing data related to the user's browsing session. When you use private browsing, the browser does not store any records of the websites you visit, the searches you make, or the pages you view. This means that after closing the private browsing window, there will be no history of your online activities on that session. Additionally, in private browsing mode, cookies and temporary data are not saved, preventing websites from remembering your preferences or tracking your online activities. And if that wasn't already enough anonymity, private browsing also disables autofill and saved passwords, so your login credentials and personal information won't be automatically filled in on websites either. In short, if you use private browsing, it is as if you had cleared all your browsing data before closing the session. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.